Hello everyone, welcome to Indian Money's YouTube channel. I'm Natalia. Instead of looking for tricks and hacks to become a better investor in stock market, you can use these simple steps and become a professional immediately. Number 1, the great divide, that is an investor or a trader. Before getting into stock market, the first thing that you should figure out is if you want to become a trader or an investor. A trader is a person who buys the stock and immediately sells it within few minutes or hours or days. But an investor will buy a stock and hold on to it for a long term. So before you try to get into stock market, make sure you decide which one you want to go for, that is trader or an investor. Number 2, understand the basics of stock market. So once you have picked a side between a trader and an investor, the second thing you should do is get the basics right. So you have to do some research and study a lot about the stock market and get all the basics right. Learn all the basics when it comes to NSE, BSE, Sensex and Nifty. So one of the most important decisions that you have to make before you start your journey in stock market is selecting the right stockbroker. So before you select the right broker, take into consideration the reputation of the broker or what kind of software or trading portals that they are using and the brokerage. Number 5, avoid penny stocks. Now here, you're probably looking for deals and low prices, but stay away from penny stocks because they cannot be liquidated and the chances of you hitting a jackpot is very slim. Number 6, start with a small capital in your initial days. So you don't have to go ahead and invest a lot of money in stock market immediately. Start small, learn about the basics, and then you can eventually go forward. Last but not the least, diversify your investments. So make sure that you buy a lot of different stocks so that even if one stock doesn't work out or gives you a loss, the other one will still keep your profile intact. So these are the 7 tips that you need if you are gonna enter into stock market. And that is all for today's video. If you like this video and if you want to learn more about stock markets or how to start a business or personal finance or career building or business and farming courses in 6 different languages, then click the link in the description box below and download the Financial Freedom app and start your journey towards becoming rich. And don't forget to use my code NAT. If you use that code, you will be getting 2000 rupees worth scholarship absolutely free. And if you like this video, then hit the like button. If you're new to the channel, then hit the subscribe button. And do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you will be notified when we post a new video. I'm Natalia and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching IndianMoney.com.